MAJnMAR Medical Products instructional video loading and unloading the E-Force 2 stapler. First, remove the stapler from the package. Remove the battery pack. Insert the battery pack into the stapler. Line up the arrows on the shaft of the stapler and the reload. Turn 45 degrees until it clicks. Remove the shipping wedge. Scan the shipping wedge to the chip. The green light will show it's activated. Close the jaws by pressing the bottom lever. Insert into the choker and abdomen. By pressing the top firing button, open the jaws. Place the tissue in between the jaws. Pressing the lower firing switch, close the jaws. Press the green safety button. To fire, hold the lower switch down. Press and hold. Remove the tissue. Close the jaws by pressing the lower firing switch. Remove the stapler from the choker. Open the jaws by pressing the upper firing switch. To remove it, press the unload lever and twist the reload.